Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If this is your first time watching my video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my videos. Now this is a one-way way, and also this is wonderful script you ever see online. It's an air ticket which also have a tracking ticket. Now this is nice. If you want to know more about this information, please stick to the end of this video. So let me show you guys the tracking information. Now I'll be showing you guys how we're able to install this information and also achieve this result. So guys, see you guys in the next step. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is a new video on how to install your booking air flight tickets with tracking, and this is one of the kind. You hardly see this online. So this is the second segment of this tutorial video on how to install. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started with this. So I'm using Hostinger for this video section. So if you want to use this script, ensure you use a good host that has good requirements, okay, with enough resources. So I'm using Hostinger for this video section. Now this is my domain is empty. Now the next section is just go straight to your file manager. So go to your file manager, head straight to public_HTML or your add-on domain. So I'll go to upload and select my file. So I've selected my file, is uploading. So while this is uploading, go back to your dashboard. Ensure to create your coupling email account. I've done mine. To create your email account is very easy. Just go to your hosting, you go to your cPanel or your hPanel, locate email account and create. It's very easy. So in the next section, I'll go to database. So let's set up our database. You can go to database wizard or just database. So after you've created this information, if you're using cPanel, you get to see something like all privileges. Ensure to click on that. So I've done mine, so I'll just click on create. Ensure to save your information on your notepad. So I'll go back to my public_HTML. I'll have to extract this file. So I'll go to this folder and select all. Then move this to your main folder, which is your public_HTML or your add-on domain. So if you're not seeing most of the file, ensure to, if you're using cPanel, go to the top right corner, click on settings and click on show hidden files. So let me just delete this and this. Good. So the next section, I'll go back to my website, my hosting environment, go to locate phpMyAdmin. So I'll click this. Then I'll go to my database and go to import. Then come to the section where you have chosen file. Click on this, and this is your DB. I'll click open and import. So you can see our database has been installed successfully. So if you're getting errors, like you installed and you see something like error, it won't work. Ensure it shows you successful like this. So that's why you need to use a good host. You get it? If you're using hosting that has limited resources, most of your installation will comes with errors. Alright, the next section, I'll go back to my file manager, locate config. Now this is a section here. So go to db.php, edit this, and your information you saved. This is for our database. I will just copy this and go to where I have database name and paste. Same thing for the user. Then you copy your database password you created. And paste. Good. So after you've done this, ensure to click what? Save. Then go to functions.php. Now this section is for the email, so I will just come here and copy my email. Definitely what you're just doing is copy and what paste. So I'll just come here, then Ctrl F and click on the plus sign to replace with yours. I'll do the same thing here. Now for this old section, just come to this section here and delete this. Now what you have to do is go to your email account. Once you create your email, go to your inbox. The first thing you see is your mail configuration settings. Now copy the SMTP outgoing server. So using those things, mine here is smtp.hostinger.com. Good. So ensure you put in the right information. Then you copy your email password and paste it here. Just within this space. Okay, good. Now click save. Then I'll access function. So I'll go back to my website. Let me reload this section. Now you can see, so my PHP version is 8.1. Now this is the front end of the website. You can see it's so slick and it is nice. It has booking flight and also has tracking for this section. Now if you are thinking of having a airport base, now this is also good, and maybe with time we can also integrate a user section. This is good. Now the next section is how to log in your admin. So it will be your domain name /admin. Domain name /admin. Okay. Now go back to your PHP admin. Go to admin. Now this is the section here. So if you want to change this information, just edit this. Copy your company email. Paste it here. Then for the password, do not encrypt it, just do it the same way. And we'll click go. So if I come back here, so this is just putting your information and click continue. Now you can see this is the dashboard of the admin section. It says welcome, create file booking, view total passenger. Now this is how it is. Now you can go to change settings, or just exit section first. And this is the admin dashboard, which is nice. Okay, now go to account settings. Now we'll go to account settings, change this to your domain name or your website name. Then your company email. So what you're just doing is just copy and paste and click what update. Really, you can see we have updated this successfully. If we go to profile settings, now this is the admin. You can also change your admin password here. This is good. And the next section is go to payment method. We have bank payment method. You can also change this. If you come to this section here, just go to edit and just put in your bank information and click word submit. So this is it. Okay, if you want to remove this through if you go to payment method, delete this through the database. So go back to the admin. If you go to cryptocurrency payments, now the same thing here. You can add new cryptocurrency. Let me say this is sold, that is Solana. Then I'll click submit. Good, this is it. So I go back to payment method, go to this section. I can see. Good. So the next section is we come to airports. Go to view airports. Now these are listed airports already. Now if you want to add airports, it's kind of easy. So for example purpose, come to airport section, add airports. Now enter the city of the airports. I will say this is Lagos. The country, Nigeria. Now the code, the airport code. All airport has their own code, so I'll just say LATA. So the code is LOS. You can just go to Google, search on the airport's name and search for the code. Now the time zone of that country. So this is West Africa. Good, so I'll just click submit. Airport has been created successfully. You get it. This is it. And the other section here is come to, now this is if passenger has booked already. So I'll go to flight booking. I'll go to add flight. Now you can see we already have a flight number. You can send this for two-way trip is a round trip, one-way trip is, you can see the section. So let's say we're booking for 2 round trip, meaning going and coming. So let me just go with one way first. Just going. The date should be, let me say today. Time, let me say by 9:01. Then date on arrival, one way arrival. That is date on arrival. Let me just put tomorrow. Time should be 10:02. Now from departure airports, so I have to select my airports. This is it, Lagos, Nigeria. I'll put it here. Select airports on arrival. Okay, sorry, I'm departing from, let me choose United Kingdom, then to Lagos, Nigeria. You get it, some from London to Lagos. Now I'm going to set which of the class tickets. Let me say economy class ticket here is, let me just say this is 65 for 26, just example purpose. Then business class here is for 500 to for just 10 seats. Now for this first class here is 1000 for 5 seats. So the next section here is the baggage type. So the luggage, which is let me say 2 bags. You get it, only 2 bags. You can just say let me say bags, food items, bag food items, something like this. Then check-in baggage, let me say 70 kg. Now cancellation policy, you can say non-refundable or free cancellation within 24 hours. So after you've done this, just click what? Submit. Now flight booking successful. Now click OK. So head back to dashboard. So go to the website. So let me start as a user. So I'll just come to one-way trip and select my location. So I will choose from London. So So I'm going London to, let me just type here LOS. Sorry. So I just have to reload the page. So choose here. This is it. Now put the partial date is today. Get it. So I'll select which of the class. I'm going for first class. Then 3 travelers. Get it. So I'll go to find tickets. So once you just scroll down, you can see 1 ticket available, right? This is good. Now you can see only for 5 seats for this first class. London to Nigeria. You can see 1 hour, 1 minute. You can see. Now this time is, now you can see the time frame. That is from Thursday to Friday. Now the time frame we use is, I mistake. Let me go back to admin. Let me go to flight. Let me go to view flights. Now London to Nigeria should be like 6 hours. So let me click on this section. Let me go to edit. Now this time frame is very important. Ensure you put the right time for flight entry. So let me just put here as from 10 to and just go down and click what just click edit and click OK. So we've edited this. So I'll go back here. Let me reload this page. You can see 6 hours 1 minute. So this is how you do it. And for 3 users, if you click on flight details, you're able to see most of the information here. Baggage row. You can see the baggage row. Then I'll click on book now. Good. So it takes users to this booking page section. So let me just fill out this information. Good. So I will just come to this section and I'll fill out the information. Then I'll click on proceed. So users have the option to pay with their card information and also bank transfer. You can see, and also they can pay through any wallet of their choice. So let me just use crypto. So I'll just select Sol, and this is it. So when they copy this information, then they'll upload their payment proof. Let me do that. So I'll just click what confirm now. Flight booking successful. Your booking has been recorded successfully. Then I'll click what OK. Now you can see said congratulations. Now this is the booking ID, which is also your track ID. Booked by, payments, total price for 3 passengers. Now you can see. Now this is good. You get it. Then if I click on, so I'll go back to admin section and come to this section. Go to your dashboard or go to view flights. Go to view flights. I can see the flight here. I'll go to pending. Sorry, just come to this section, which is view bookings. You can come to this section here and go to pending bookings. Now this is the pending bookings for Big Train. So I will just come to this section. Now you can see for 3 passengers. So I'll go to this section, go to approve. Now before I approve, this is the payment proof. Okay, now click what approve. Now booking approved successful. Then if you go back to dashboard, then you'll be able to see the approved bookings. So let me check my email as the user. I can see the email, right? Now this booking ID is the tracking information. Now download e-tickets. Now this is the e-ticket, which is awesome. Users can download this. I can see how it is very sharp. You can see it, right? Let me just exit this section and I'll copy my booking ID. Then I'll go back to the website. I'll go to track flights. Then I'll put in my booking ID and click on track flights. Track now. Now you can see the tracking information, which is payment status approved. You can also download tickets from here. Now you can see how it is. So this information you're saying here is due to the API being installed. This API is not free. It's not the paid. It's the free version that the ad is showing. Okay. So basically, this is all about this website, and this is nice. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube platform. See you guys in the next video.